see an educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Monday, April the 20th. Happy 420. Today is day one of week 4 for Miss Gigi. And I've changed plans on her. I'm not STS in this plant. I don't like her. I don't know whether I overwatered her a little bit at the beginning or what. But I don't like her color. I don't like that little variegation down there. I don't like that. And I have doubts now about the safety of the STS. Let me go get my instructions. There's some controversy on the matter. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. You read down there at the bottom. Note, do not consume sprayed plant parts. Well, Gemini says don't consume any of it. There is controversy depending on how you ask the fucking AI, but the AI will tell you do not smoke it. It'll cause neurological problems. If that's the case, this is a lawsuit waiting to happen. Do not consume these sprayed plant parts. It does not say do not consume the plant. But now I have doubts. I've already got the American Gangster knocked up, so I'm not going to be smoking it. And I got a long haul for outdoor to get done, and I don't want to run out of smoke. So I'm not going to STS this one. You know the old saying, if in doubt, throw it out. Well, now I kind of got doubts, and I got enough that I shouldn't have to worry about smoking shit that's questionable, right? And I'm going to water her up. She'll probably take about 800 mils, and then we'll jump into the grow room and check out the other ladies. I'm dying to get the kids outdoors. I don't think I'm going to make it till middle of May. They're probably going to get chunked out on the 1st. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. This is number 7. I'll give her one more. And I'll see if we get any runoff from that. 800 mils. She may take 2 more hundred. We'll wait. Yeah, I wasn't happy with my last order of GG number 4s. I even stated that the last time I ran a GG number 4 in the 3x3. She looks good. She's not showing any pistols at all. Not a single one. I mean, I probably could jump on her with the STS. But I've been hem-hawing about it for 2 weeks now. I don't fucking know what to do. I think it'd be safe just to say, fuck it, this go around. Hopefully we can get some shit to play with from the American Gangster. Let me get you up off of here. And we'll look underneath her skirt. I mean, structure looks great, but I just don't know what to do. Because I want to have some fucking smoke. I don't want to be doing dabs and shit all summer. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Let's get on into the grow room and take care of the little ones and check out Miss AG. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Here we are in the little AC Infinity 2x2 with all my grummies outdoor kids here. Miss K's little 2.0 is day 4 of week 2. I'm gonna give her 150 mils, sticking to my water schedule. And all these other ladies are day 4 of week 3. And I'm just gonna throw 200 mils. They've basically, these large, bigger plants have been getting watered every day or every other day. Pick up the pots. But I'll throw 200 mils at all of them and see if I get any runoff. If I don't get any runoff at all, I'll probably throw another 100 mil at them. They're looking fine as kind, they ain't. Miss K's Rockmelon Haze has got a little bit of an issue. And one of Dragon's, Zorilla Z's, has got a little bit of an issue. And all the rest of them look fine as kind. But let me get these things watered up here and I'll take you up off this stand. We'll get a little closer look. Ain't no way in hell I'm going to be able to wait till fucking the first. I mean, May. These things are going to have to go out pretty damn soon. I'm hoping I can wait till May the 1st. That's in, what, another 2 weeks. These things are going to be blowed up and root bound. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. We got these kids all watered up. Now see, tell me what you think that is. This is K's Rockmelon Haze. And the same thing over here on this one of Dragons. Tell me what you think, Grummies. I got so much shit going on, I don't know which ends up. Everything else looks fine as kind. I can't wait to get them outdoors. They're going to need to be up potted pretty damn quick. I'm running out of room. I guess I could take one or two and throw them in the spider farmer if I need to. We'll see how it grows. Let's jump into the 3x3 and check out Miss AG. Back in flash. Okie dokie. Oh, sorry about that. I got sidetracked there, Grummies. Oh. I gotta get way back for her. Well, let me switch you back. There we go. You doggy. Chunking up. Miss AG, what is she? Let me see. Oh. Miss AG is... Oh. Day 4 of week 11. Yeah, day 4, week 11 for her. Hope we get it done. Got a little bit of issues with her too. I'll take all the help I can get. Trouble brewing down here. Looks like little Fatbuds is trying to get Miss K's Mimi into a corner. You better talk to her, Kay. Don't let him get her in the corner, or he's gonna be tapping that ass. I promise you. Yeah. I hope we get it done. I hope we get it done. That's a hell of a lot of wasted ass flour if I don't get it done. Whew. We're 10 minutes in. 10 minutes, not more than I had time for. Nah. I ended my vacation already. I ain't much of one for vacations. I miss my groomies too much to take a long extended vacation. Hey, y'all have a fantastic 420. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.